Hi, it's me again with laser tips and tricks. And somebody asked me to make a lamp, a hanging lamp, kind of in this shape. So this is what I came up with. I'm going to share this file on my Facebook page, CorelDRAW File Share. It'll be under the file section. I've already done it, matter of fact. And it's pretty neat. You can get it at Lowe's, or the electrical part. This one I picked, or they actually picked, as a brushed nickel. It's a pretty cool lamp for doing this. It's got like 4 different rods to make the length you want from the ceiling. You could put any kind of light shade on it. You know, it'd be a good one to use what I call an Emerson bulb, like an old style bulb. I got it at Lowe's. It was $25. There's the SKU number if you want to try it, because the file I'm going to give you will fit this thing perfectly. So here's what I came up with. This part of the lamp unscrews. So I made this to fit. There's a smaller hole in this end and a larger hole in this end. So when you screw this back in, that's what's going to hold your shade up and securely. That's what it's going to look like hanging from the ceiling. And then the rods thread on that. Now, the only parts you need are these parts right here. You will need 32 of these, and I didn't lay them out because I don't know what size your laser bed is. You'll need one of these and one of these. Here's the larger hole and the smaller hole. And then depending on, this was made with 1/8 inch plywood. Depending on your thickness, you're gonna need to stack these together. And I used 5 of these and then glued them together. These are dowel index holes. So you're gonna have to go get you a small dowel, can't be very big. Let's see what size hole this is. It was a very small dowel. You know, that hole is only 0.145, so a little bit more than 1/8 of an inch of wood. So you're gonna need to take it and resize your holes for your dowels. That's the only thing you really need to do. I've made it kind of loose. So this part right here fits into these 2 parts. And it doesn't, I made it a little bit loose, but it's almost perfect because I think the young lady is going to stain it, which you would probably want to. And then the stain's going to make the wood swell just a little bit. And the one I'm doing the video for, if you want to put this together and you do stain it, you could gently sand off, you know, part of this that if the stain did swell up. They should fit right into these. There's 32 slots. So you've got 32, and this is pretty secure because it's got dual, you know, it's locking a 1/4 inch inside the round part. So it's a 1/4 of an inch inside and a 1/4 inch around. It's a pretty cool lamp. I'm hoping she will send me a picture, and if I do, I'll post another video with it. But you can get it at Lowe's. I mean, $25, and this is what it's going to look like from the top. The only thing I'm going to suggest when you put it together, this is just sitting there freely. I would actually put like 4 on it at each corner and maybe put some books to get this to the right height so it kind of level. And then put all 32 of them on before you glue them, because you could actually, some of them are going to be looking a little closer than the other. It's a pretty cool picture because you can see the inside and the outside. So like some of them aren't equally spaced because it's movable. So I would space them out evenly before I would put a little drop of glue on the first part. And then you could very easily turn it over and put another drop of glue on the inside. It really won't even show up. You could use CA glue, which is super glue, or just regular yellow wood glue that will dry clear. If I was going to put this together, I would gently brush some glue on the outside of this disc up here, just on the outside within a 1/4 of an inch. Stick them all in there, and then you've got, you know, 10-15 minutes before the glue is going to set. That way you could space them out, let it set, and then if you had books underneath there to keep this thing perfectly level. That doesn't really matter. but you're going to have a little bit of a sag factor of the weight going down. So if you got it all even, and then go back and just add a couple of drops on the outside, flip it all over and add some drops on the inside. Anyway, have fun with that. Hope it works out. Send me pictures if you get it put together. Hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.